I'm Beverly from the Midland Public Library, Program Assistant, and today on Know Your Local Species, we are going to learn more about the lamprey, the silver lamprey. They are eel-shaped adults and are 9 to 39 centimeters in length and have a dull brown coloring. This color changes to silver bluish when spawning. They have 7 pairs of gills opening and a single dorsal fin. Larvae appear to be worm-like, lack eyes or mouth parts. Larvae are filter feeders until the age of 4 to 7 when they begin to develop their eyes and teeth and start their parasitic life stage. The variety of fish species including catfish, pike, suckers, and sturgeon are host species. After 12 to 20 months, they cease feeding and reach sexual maturity in the spring. At the age of 6 to 8, the adults migrate in May to June to spawn in shallow rifle areas of small to moderate-sized streams. They excavate a nest in the stream bed by moving sand and gravel with their mouths to form a shallow depression. They will die shortly after spawning. The larvae burrow into the mud at the bottom of the stream. Juveniles may live within the stream and move to large bodies of water where they grow to adult size. The sea lamprey is a primitive eel-like fish that invaded the Great Lakes through shipping canals. In their native range of North Atlantic Ocean and the Baltic, Western Mediterranean, and Arctic seas, they live part of their lives in salt water, but they have adapted to living entirely in fresh water. As adults, they spawn in rivers and streams, and their larvae live on organic matter in stream bottoms until they transform into parasites that migrate into the lakes. Their mouth is a large sucker with rings of sharp teeth and a raspy tongue that is used to latch onto the side of fish and feed on its blood. Adults spend 12 to 20 months feeding on blood of another lake-dwelling fish until they are ready to travel upstream to spawn and die shortly after. The complete life cycle usually lasts 5 to 9 years. Lampreys have significantly reduced the number of sport fish in the Great Lakes. Only 1 of 7 fish survive an attack, according to the Great Lakes Fishery Commission. Since then, the Commission has led a program to assist and control the species using measures that target different stages of its life cycle, although it is impossible to eliminate sea lamprey from the Great Lakes. Ongoing efforts to control the species have reduced populations by 90%. Unfortunately, the remaining sea lamprey continue to affect native fish species. For questions, contact the Sea Lamprey Control Center of Fisheries and Oceans Canada at 1-800-553-9091. Report other invasive species sightings to the Invading Species Hotline at 1-800-563-7717. I hope you have enjoyed this Know Your Local Species. Bye for now.